Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to make this easy turban tutorial. First, I'll start by folding my material, okay, and then with my measuring tape I'm going to measure out 12 inches. All right, this is for the vertical side, and then as you can see I folded my material, and then for the side I'm going to be measuring out measuring out 10 inches. Okay, so 10 inches in total will make out 20 for a head of 22. As you can see, my material is a bit stretchy. Next, this will serve as the band, the little sequence material. All right, as you can see, it's been folded as well, and then I'm going to be making use of 4 inches in total, but here it's appearing 2 inches. Okay, you see it's folded, so it's going to be for each of these points I'm going to be using 10.5 as well as 10.5, which will be joined this way on with your sewing machine. Okay, that will serve as the band. All right, and then it will be before placed on the material. As you can see, I'm now stitching my sequence material, which will serve as the band of my turban. And here is me stitching the base, okay, the base of the turban, right? So you can see that it's very easy to make your own turban. So you can see the stitch, it's being stitched this way, okay, in a squarish type, and then this is for the band, which will be, as you can see how it's been folded to form a kind of V shape, slantly V. And then I would use my pin to hold it so I can fully place that joined part, that V part, on the middle. So you can see that my turban is almost ready. Okay, so next I'll fold it. I would open the inside part, okay, as to reveal the back part of it, and then with my needle and thread I'm going to just run a stitch through. I'll be running a stitch through it. Okay, this stitch will help me to snitch it a bit, okay, as to give it its little curved shape. Just run the stitch through it. It's very easy to do. So you can see as I run the stitch, I will also check the front to see how I would love it to be, whether I want it to extend a bit or whether I want it to be short. So you can see I'm placing it on my dummy head. This is very key because it is through your dummy head you can be able to assess how much you want to slack, or as you can see, tension, either you want to slack or tension your dummy head. Okay, after which I would I would then close it up. Okay, so next I'm measuring out the design. So this is 7 and then 5.5 inches. Okay, I'll do the same for this. It was deliberate because I wanted it to the bow to slant a bit. Okay, so for the second part of this rectangle, I'll be cutting it. This is actually for beginners. If you find it difficult to insert, because I want to insert my fiber into this material. As you can see, it's a light material. Okay, so you can see that it has been stitched. You can see the part cut, which will enable me to stuff in my fiber. This is my fiber. I'm going to be stuffing in my fiber. You can see it's a light material. Okay, you can also see my sequence material there. That one won't be needing the fiber because it's a bit thick already. All right, so I'm going to evenly distribute my fiber and then press it a bit, okay, and then place it sequentially. I'll use my needle and thread and then stitch my bow, after which I'll then prepare the band. Okay, so you can see this method of trying to seamlessly close up the band without stitching. Okay, you first glue it. You can see the edges are smooth, and then before I'll use my glue to then close up. See how neat and beautiful it is. Next, I'll be attaching my appliques, okay, and after which I'll then be placing it on my on the turban. I love to first use needle and thread to hold before I would use glue. Okay, I always love to double check. You can also you can just directly apply glue and then it will still hold. Okay, so I would, right, tighten my not my needle and thread, after which I will use my glue. All right, I'll use my glue to hold my material. I'll use it to hold that applique. So you can see how beautiful this is looking. Do well to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.